Hello friend, this is Umang Sharma. In this video, I am going to explain my compiler lab experiment number 6. So in this experiment, what I need to do, I need to generate a program through reading my opcode table and through the other table, that is assemble for SIC. SIC stand for Simplify Instruction Computer. So this is description. The assembler is a program that accepts as input an assembly language program and produces machine language equivalent, that is object code. So through object code I need to generate that program along with the information of the loader. So first I will tell you my algorithm. So what we need to do, we need to read and open and read the input file. If the input file has a opcode, start do the following. Find if there is a operand field, start with LC to operand with value. Otherwise, if there is a no value, I need to operand field with LC is set to 0. Write the input file to intermediate file. Do the following until the operand is end. Check the symbol table. If the symbol is not available, then enter that symbol into symbol table along with the memory address in which it is stored, otherwise error message will be displayed. If there is a operand opcode, if opcode is present in the opcode table, then increment the LC by 3 because object size is our 3 and we need to start writing the location counter operand by operand filled in the corresponding statement to the file along with the object code. If object code is increment LC by 3, if opcode is a byte, then increment by 1. And if opcode is reset, then increment LC by integer equivalent to operand star 3. If opcode is RESW, that is reset string byte, that increment location counter by the integer equivalent of the operand value. If there is a no symbol label in the operand field, then the operand address is to assign and assemble with the object code to the instruction. Write the process in line the intermediate file along with location counter. To find the length of the program, abstract the starting address of the program from the following, and then I need to close all the algorithm. This is my then logic I use here. The same program I written here. Here I am reading my file, then I started, I am finding, I am splitting, then I doing equivalent with 3 because for finding the object size, and then I am starting with location counter with start symbol. I initialize with 0. Then all the read write operation, if this is a and, then I am checking, then location counter pass symbol where this location counter line operand and writing that if it is a and, that everything I am passing. Now I'll show you my output of this program. Before that, you can see here buffer reader is for reading buffer from the input.txt. So this is present in my D drive. This is input.txt. Input.txt I written my program and then enter, then optable will contain all the is the value of my STA is 23, that is operand, old STX is 45. I'll run this program. Now you can see it's reading my file and it's generating through operand table. Through operand table is generating my program. STA is 23, so you can see it is 23, and this is hexadecimal is showing me. I hope you understand this program. Thank you. And all the file is attached here. Yes, it is attached. Yes, I hope you understand this program. Thank you.